Becoming a sensation, unveiling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that you've probably heard a lot: become a sensation. This phrase is not just about becoming famous, it's about understanding the nuances of English expressions. So, let's explore together what it means to become a sensation, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned. Become a sensation refers to the process of gaining sudden and widespread popularity or attention. This can happen to a person, a product, a piece of content, or even an idea. When something becomes a sensation, it means it has captured the public's interest in a big way, often becoming a topic of discussion across various platforms. The key here is the suddenness and widespread nature of the popularity, distinguishing it from a slow and steady rise to fame. Using "become a sensation" in a sentence correctly requires understanding its context. It's often used in past tense, became a sensation, to describe something that has already gained widespread popularity. However, it can also be used in future projections or hypothetical scenarios. Here are some examples. The indie band became a sensation overnight after their song went viral on social media. Her innovative approach to sustainable fashion is becoming a sensation in the industry. They hope their new app will become a sensation and change the way we think about health. Notice how the phrase can apply to various subjects, from music bands to apps, indicating their sudden leap into the spotlight. Become a sensation is frequently seen in discussions about popular culture. Let's look at some real-world examples. TikTok trends. Many dances or challenges become sensations on this platform, spreading across the globe. Viral videos. A funny or touching video can become a sensation, amassing millions of views in just a few days. Breakthrough products. Occasionally, a new gadget or app becomes a sensation due to its unique features or timely introduction. These examples show how diverse the application of this phrase can be, highlighting its relevance in everyday conversation and media. Understanding the phrase, become a sensation, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you grasp the nuances of language that goes beyond the ordinary. It's about sudden fame, widespread popularity, and the impact on society. We hope this exploration helps you use the phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, English is full of intriguing expressions waiting to be discovered. Keep learning, and maybe one day, your English skills will become a sensation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.